Don't ever lick me again.
Hey, hey.
Sleepy.
Me too. Sire got sage and lavender. What is this wood again? Not sandalwood.
No, they don't have sandalwood.
What is it called? Palo. Burning? No. Pablo. Santos Pablo. Very cute, sire. Very nice of you.
I think it's supposed to be a big seashell or a big glass thing.
Seashell.
But I'm not. Either one
Seems
works.
like fun. I'm sure this is fine.
Did you do your devotions? You missed it?
Very cool.
Imagine me and you were living in this apartment together. That was the OG plan. It was. It really was.
Didn't I do your makeup? Or someone did your makeup? Sam did your makeup?
I don't remember. I think you both chimed in on your wedding. You're freaking out about getting, like, the weather and everything. Your wedding day, and I'm coming to you crying about my makeup.
You did?
Charlotte, I know you're stressed out right now, but like, did you see my face? I don't know.
And
what
I
to
fixed
do.
your lips, right?
Yeah.
What happened here?
I've never seen that before.
It's like
Just a type of wood?
sandalwood. My Florida Gilmore Girls mom.
This one reminds me of the Sam just moved away.
I hate that. It's just
Like
like a plain, like man mug that you can stick on a newspaper and leave the ring around it.
I don't know. Pretty much. That's exactly what happened.
Only it's on a newspaper, it's on her desk.
Talking about
Mug
plans
issues.
for this mug and the
Is that really what you're talking about? Oh,
You're
the
not eating the
camera.
sandwich?
I don't know right now.
So, just filmed. This is my outfit. I think it's pretty cute. The little pockets. And I don't know if you remember, I had them in a haul. And they were too long, so I got them hemmed. They're still kind of long, but I don't mind. They're at least like, I'm able to walk. They're so like breezy and just cute. Aren't they? I'm going to get a manicure, pedicure. Yeah, get this on my toes too. So gorgeous though. Yes. Very warm. Very warm. Okay. Might as well get a manicure too, but I feel like sitting in there. I never feel like sitting there. Oh, after that, I'm going to Sam's, or I don't know if we're still doing lunch. She was gonna buy me dinner if I cleaned out organized her closet. I'll see if we're doing that. I don't know, but I know I'm probably doing that. And then bachelor's tonight. So that's the plan on Mondays. Me and Danny were supposed to go to Huntington today, but he had like this couple things he had to go to. We'll probably go next week. It's so beautiful out. Oh yes, yes, yes. Aww. Back at it again.
Can't get enough of
Oh, got a manicotti.
Is that Cajun shrimp?
It's clam bake.
Do you like these?
So sad. What did I eat?
Yeah.
Smoothie and tiny bit of salad.
Starved.
What did you eat?
Smoothie and coffee. You want a little bit of sun?
Sure.
Even when we feel like complaining, even when no one else is joyful, Christ still reigns and we still know him, so we can rejoice at all times.
Not on mine. I didn't have a lot of songs. I don't know what I was thinking. I am big girl. Big girl.
Well, we keep eating. Oh my gosh.
So I'm going to the beach. I haven't worn this leopard print in a while. It's very late. I had to do so much. Alright, I'm very hungry. It's kind of big on me. Sam's there, it's really late. I had to do some uploading and laundry and stuff, but I'm going now. I have to do something. I don't think I do. I'm missing the sun. I kind of like the leopard and the red. Rare. I'm a hot mess. Oh my god. Will I have enough fuel to get there? Let me see. 8 miles. Yeah, I can get there. My legs are hairy. My Brazilian's growing in. Cute. And then I have this like massive scratch down my front inner thigh from Sam's dog, Ollie. So it looks like, oh my gosh, huge. It got bigger today. 2 like marks, but they're like long lines and they just look dark bruises. Like so gross. So I'm running off of water, coffee, and half a peanut butter sandwich. Pig. And here we are. Thigh looking very hot today.
Did you tell your friends?
Tell them that your nip was out and someone came over and filmed you?
Yeah.
Oh, duh. I just told them.
Me, bro!
You used up the last of our coffee last night. Very happy. I made for Danny, something for Danny, but I gotta go run out. These birds have to be mating. They've been going wild the past 2 days. They are. They have to be. Mating calls. Blue jays don't sound very pretty. It turns out I had a tiny little cup worth. Jenny had a full cup, so we made do. Kind of like my hair like this. It's cute. Like, oh, it's dying. Oh my god, my lips are a disaster, but just like Feeling it.
Then arrive at your destination.
Hey, where's my hat?
I don't know.
Don't ever lick me again.
Hey,
Too hot for that.
On the line, say I'm on my way now. Yeah, say I'm on my way now. Show up when it's down. I just want the best for you. I just want the best for you. But I'm just not the best for you. You don't want what I'm gonna put you through. Oh, no, baby. Oh, baby.
Shout out to Ritu and Brianna if you're watching. We just saw them. Sushi.
But I'm just not the best for you. You don't want what I'm gonna put you through. I just want the best for you. I long to speak but did not dare. It's so sad.
These are my new feeds. Can you see it? Experiment. Not the blue ones anymore. These ones.
He's so shy.
Your sticker or show them your pass. Go.
Just guy doing.
I don't know. What is he doing? I mean, very obvious he's waiting for somebody, but that's alright.
And there's just a $1.50 service charge with the card. That's
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks.
It's gonna be 50.
Okay. 15?
15 minutes.
Or $15? Did you mean 15? Like 15 minutes? I wonder why it's taking so long to get in there.
Just give me 15 minutes.
Is that what you just
So
said?
every car is a half hour? No, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it is. Is this my old one?